Okay, so do you believe in astrology?
Uh, if I talk about astrology, yes, I believe in it.
What are your beliefs about astrology? What are your basic beliefs about
First of
astrology?
all, the my belief is not that somebody will predict my future and it will going to be turn as outcome. But I believe
Yeah.
that yeah, definitely the position of sun, moon, and every particles of this cosmos affect us because we are interconnected with each other.
Okay, so their position, how they revolve, everything matters.
Matters, definitely it matters.
What else do you believe in astrology? Wearing some gemstones and all will work?
No,
Wearing
I
this
do
ring,
not
wearing
believe
that
in these.
ring?
No, I do not believe these things. But I told you that, yeah, I think that sun, moon, everything affects us. Our body is interconnected with these things.
Okay. It's possible to predict anybody's future. As you said, you don't believe anyone such, but do you think it's possible to predict someone's future?
Yes, some extent it is possible to, predict the future, but not totally. If you are intelligent, then it is very difficult to predict your future. But if you are foolish, then easily it can be predicted.
Okay, so it depends upon the level of literacy you have, the level of awareness you have,
Right? Yeah.
how much aware
That's,
you are.
yeah.
Okay, do you consult anybody for your astrology or something?
Never ever. And never I will.
So it happens there are many people, who consult, what should I do? I am stuck here, something like that.
No, I think the beauty of life is that you should go with unpredictability. When once you will know about tomorrow, I know if, for example, I know that tomorrow I'll be king, then today I will become, prodigious. I will start doing things that I was not doing before. Okay, I will start ruling people. Okay, uh, so I don't think that it is, good to know our future. It is good to
Yeah.
be go with uncertainty about future.
Some uncertainty is needed in life, and that's the truth. That's very
This is the
true.
only beauty that life poses.
Exactly, exactly. Uh, so, have you ever seen somebody, who believes in astrology and has done the craziest thing ever in the name of astrology? My astrologer told me, or
Mhm.
he told me, so I'm doing this. So, have you witnessed any such people in your life?
I've seen so many people. They will be their hand will be full of gemstones. After all, they will be poor. They will be in the same condition. They will be, suffering for whole life. That tomorrow, yesterday, this not happened, that not happened. Okay, I've seen so many people. So I don't think that gemstone can, change your some life or something. Yeah, lots of people have seen.
Many people do this.
Mhm.
Do you find astrology interesting? Finding more about it, how does it work, or what it has, on what patterns does it work?
No, but astrology is still not accepted by the scientist, but I think yeah, in future definitely it will be one branch of science, uh, because you know that if you go and study the history of humanity, then you will find that after certain period of time any pandemic or epidemic happened in this world, and this is regulating after certain period of time, and it depends. And I had read somewhere that what happens after a few years, sun on the sun explosion happens, okay, in big extent, in big amount, and because of it, it affects the everything in this world. Just like for example, you might have noticed sometime, okay, when there is going to be Amavasya, new moon day, okay, or is eclipse, okay, you might have noticed that before that eclipse, you will see that even the birds or animals, will be scared of it. Okay, the birds will stop chirping, in trees, and you can notice these things. So definitely, yeah, astrology affect everything in this universe, and especially
People
the
believe so
lives.
much in astrology that it has affected our daily lives as well.
Mhm.
And there is a scientific evidence behind everything, as you said, eclipse. I find that there's a scientific evidence. I was also a geography teacher for a few years, so I
Mhm.
know why eclipse happened. What is a lunar eclipse? What's a solar eclipse? Why does it happen? Because all
Yeah.
of three fall in the same line, each other's shadow fall on other, and hence the eclipse occurs. And this is the scientific or geographical evidence. But people consider it as very uh, non-ominous, and people say, no, this is not good. You should not
Mhm.
step out of the home. You should not
Mhm.
do this. You should not do that. So even that's in the form of a kind of astrology. People, that is a superstition, not an astrology, but a superstition. What do you say about the psychic ability of people? You know, many people have psychic power. We can tell about, the listen, seeing to the globe they have, seeing to the cards they have. Do you
We
believe in
already
them?
had, yeah, we already had discussed before that it depends on the consciousness of the people. Okay, if you are more conscious, if you are more aware, then you can somewhat, you can predict the future. You can be psychic. Okay, so there is a difference between psychic and non-psychic people, that psychic has ability to see within something. They have penetrating, vision that other don't have.
Okay, so yeah, there are two types of signs, moon sign and sun sign. Do you know about it?
Mhm. I
One is
know.
as per your birth date and the other is as per your name.
Mhm.
Does it go well? Like, can you classify people? Because I have heard that our famous Ramayana, in
Mhm.
Ramayana, Rama and Ravana both had the same sign, both have the same RR in them. Similarly, in Mahabharata, Krishna and Kansa both have KK, but the activities they did made them differ, made them different from each other. So there's no point in believing the signs because it's your deeds what make you different from others. What do you want to say about it?
So yes,
What do you think about those words?
hmm, I think it is right. Okay, at the same moment, lakhs of children born in this planet, but all have different capacity. Okay, all have different ability and mental health and physical health. So yeah, it affect everything. Even the Ravan and Ram was the RR, but the timing when they uh, took birth, okay, was different. And what kind of kind of particles are acting at the moment in this cosmic environment that affect the birth of child. So you are right, yes, moon, sun, or these have effect on the birth of child.
Okay, Swanam, it was very great talking to you, even though the glitches that happened, the network issues or the mic issues, but still it was very great talking to you.